Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Crypto.com, or Cronos as they've changed the name of it, or CRO, whichever one you call it by.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As you guys may know, we are talking about Cronos, and it has had a name change. And this is not financial advice. So always do your own research, and hopefully you guys do enjoy these videos.
So as we know, Crypto.com, as most people will know it as, they changed their name to Cronos. I'm only assuming this is because the platform itself is Crypto.com, but the token isn't Crypto.com, you know what I mean? It's Cronos, it's CRO. So they've changed it, but it used to be called something else before, and then they changed it again to, it was MCRO, and then they changed it to CRO, which is still what the abbreviation is, but now they've changed the name again to Cronos. Anyway, that's beside the point, that doesn't matter. As we see here, the market cap is still absolutely massive. We're still leading, doing very well. We're ranked 18 out of all cryptos at $11 billion market cap, and as we know, its all-time high was 96 cents. So more than double what we're at now, so about 60%, is it? Yes, almost 60% drop at 3 months ago, which was when the Crypto.com arena was done for 800 million, I think it was, for a 20-year contract, as everyone already knows. But that's this right now. But what's its biggest competitor? What's Crypto.com's biggest competitor? Binance. Binance is Crypto.com's biggest competitor. Or you could go against KuCoin, which is KCS, but we're not going to do that. We're gonna go big. We're gonna go with Binance. What is Binance? Binance would be if we could reach the market cap of what Binance is right now during this dip, it would be a 6.2x still available with Crypto.com at a $2.75 market cap. And we've got to think the next bull run, how much more money is going to flow into the markets in general. You've got to realize how good the marketing for Crypto.com is as well. They've also got NFT marketplaces now. They've got a decentralized exchange as well, the Cronos network. Do Binance have that? No, they don't. They don't have that. That's one thing Binance has. That's one thing Crypto.com has that Binance doesn't. The actual platform itself, in my opinion, is better than Binance. I personally think this is a lot better than Binance. The coin itself is better than Binance, the BNB. So I definitely think this is definitely possible. And this is with Binance barely doing any marketing. Compared to Crypto.com, it's no marketing, let's be honest. 1% marketing compared to Crypto.com. So you've got a long way to go for Crypto.com to reach Binance. It will happen, but I don't think it's going to happen next week, next month, next year. But I do think it is going to happen. So, of course, not financial advice, but let's get into the technical analysis.
Okay, so as we can see here on the Crypto.com chart, we have had a massive downward trend on the weekly time frame. But if we go to the daily time frame, from what we can see here, if I just get rid of the volume, as you can see, we are looking like we do want to potentially be breaking out. And we've had that massive expansion candle right here. And it is a great thing that we want to be seeing. And unfortunately, as of right now, we are in kind of a stalemate with Bitcoin as well, which is kind of holding a lot of cryptocurrencies that, want to be moving. And unfortunately, as of right now, we are not seeing any movement with a lot of cryptocurrencies just because of the recent Bitcoin movement, as it's not really allowing it to do that. So as of right now, from what we can see, we may potentially be seeing Crypto.com start expanding higher, or maybe like a nice consolidated move higher, as that would be a nice thing to be seeing. However, from the 4-hour time frame, we can see that potentially we may have a nice rejection lower if this is going to be a bearish market. But from what we're seeing, we are making higher highs and higher lows, even though we are, in a massive downward trend. And it does seem like we did break out of that downward trend. So as of right now, we are looking greatly bullish, and I do think that this is a great sign for Crypto.com.
So that is now the end of the video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this, then I really would appreciate it if you could press that like button and also that subscribe button. It really does help us out, and we really do appreciate it. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.